Tired of waiting forever for your stove to heat up, dealing with skyrocketing energy bills, or worrying about open flames around kids and pets? Induction cooktops are game changers. They heat super fast, stay cool to the touch, and slash your energy use. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best induction cooktops, covering built-in beasts for big kitchens to portable powerhouses for on-the-go cooking. Whether you're on a budget or need family-size flexibility, there's something here for you. Let's get cooking. This built-in beauty from GASLAND packs 5 booster burners, including 2 flex zones that adapt to pots from 5 to 10 inches, like the Ferrari of multitasking stoves. With 7,400-watt total power and dual frequency tech, it boils 4 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes, way faster than gas, and converts 92% of energy straight to your pan for serious bill savings. Sensor touch controls offer 9 power levels for everything from searing at 570°F to gentle simmers, plus a sleek glass ceramic surface that cools to 113°F in 5 minutes for easy wipes. Safety shines with child locks, auto shutdown, and pan detection. The only downside is a bit of fan noise during heavy use, but it makes up for it with restaurant-grade performance. Perfect for busy families or home chefs who love entertaining, worth a look if you want pro-level efficiency in your kitchen remodel. Let's be real, the AMZCHEF Double burner is a versatile champ at 1,800 watt with 2 zones, 1,100 watt each, that let you whip up pancakes on the non-stick griddle while simmering sauce on the side. Knob plus touch controls make it intuitive, with 9 power levels and a 99-minute timer for precise boils or slow cooks. The removable iron-gray griddle retains heat evenly for steaks or eggs without smoke, and the crystal glass top wipes clean with a damp towel and a dishwasher-safe pan too. It only works with magnetic pots, test with a magnet, but that's standard for induction. Fans might hum a tad, but the compact design stores easily. Great for budget-conscious buyers in small apartments, RVs, or anyone adding extra burners, it's a game changer for healthier, smoke-free grilling indoors.
The Empava stands out with 18 temperature levels from 120°F to 460°F, making it ideal for melting chocolate or quick boils without guesswork. At 1800W, its 2 zones offer preset modes for melt, warm, and simmer, plus intuitive touch controls with a pause button for seamless multitasking. The shatterproof ceramic glass is a breeze to clean, and safety features like child locks and auto shutoff add peace of mind. It plugs into 120-volt for easy built-in or countertop use, fitting kitchens, RVs, or outdoor setups. Power might feel a touch uneven on max settings compared to pricier rivals, but it compensates with consistent gourmet results. Best for eco-friendly cooks on a mid-range budget who value flexibility. This one's worth your money for everyday precision. This portable powerhouse from Nuwave delivers 1,500 watt across 3 settings, 600 to 1,500 watt, with 51 precise temps from 100°F to 575°F. Think grilling steaks or keeping sauces warm without scorching. The 8-inch coil and 12-inch shatterproof ceramic surface heat evenly, no hot spots, and it includes a 9-inch Duralon non-stick fry pan for oil-free cooking. Programmable for up to 100 hours, it's perfect for slow cooks or BBQs, with on-the-fly adjustments via digital controls. Safety includes auto shutoff and no open flames. A minor hotspot in the center exists, but the superior tech ensures even results. Ideal for dorms, campsites, or small households. Lightweight and efficient, it's a top-rated pick for healthy, fast meals on the go.
At number 5, we have the Nuwave Gold cooktop. This one is the ultimate single-burner powerhouse, perfect for small spaces like dorms, RVs, or as an extra station on your counter. It's incredibly portable and gives you insane control with 51 precise temperature settings, from a gentle 100°F for melting chocolate, all the way up to a searing 575°F. A huge bonus, it comes with its own 9-inch non-stick fry pan, so you can start cooking right out of the box. It has 3 wattage settings, making it super versatile for places with limited power. The shatterproof glass surface is a great safety feature, and it even has a keep warm function for up to 100 hours. The only downside is it's just one burner, but for its purpose, it absolutely shines. If you need targeted, precise, and portable power, the Nuwave Gold is a game changer. So to quickly recap, for ultimate portability, check out the Nuwave Gold. For versatile 2-in-1 cooking, the AMZCHEF with its griddle is fantastic. For smart features and flexibility, the Empava is a top contender. For precise power in a dual burner, the Duxtop is a winner. And for a full kitchen transformation, our top pick is the powerhouse GASLAND. The bottom line, switching to induction means faster cooking, easier cleaning, and safer kitchens. Once you try one, you honestly won't go back.